Okay, I have an idea. Oh, by the way, there's a dead bird in my patio. He's so cute, he's so little. I think he ran into the glass. He's just dead. I don't know what to do about it. Like, I have to take his body, and he doesn't like look bad. Like, he doesn't look dead, but he's dead. Here, I'll show you guys. I don't think it's TOS because, like, he looks like he's just taking a little nap, but he's not taking a little nap. He's just taking a little nap. Oh, he's so little. I don't know if you guys can see how tiny he is. I think he ran into the glass window, like here. I don't want to touch him, but I don't want to leave him there. Is there like some sort of like animal control people I can call for them to like come and take care of it for me? What if he's got some sort of disease or something? Maybe I grab like, ooh, I think I have some latex gloves somewhere. I can just grab it with a bag. Like I put my hand in a plastic bag and I touch him and I put him in the bag and then I throw him in the garbage. Why don't I bury him? Like I give him a proper burial, burial. He's so cute. Anyway, there's a dead bird. So what am I gonna do about the dead bird? I feel like I should put him in like a little shoebox. Maybe wait, what if I just throw him? There's like those birds that eat like dead animals. I can just throw him and have the birds eat him. No, I don't want to put him in the garbage. I'd rather feed him to the vultures. Funeral? I mean, might as well, right? He's already dead. Might as well have some good use out of him. Throw him in the neighbor's yard. Buried in Mrs. Backyard. No, chat, we're doing this. We're doing this. I'm gonna make myself a little glove because I don't want to touch him because I've heard birds carry a lot of disease. I think I have a face mask somewhere. No, I am not putting a trash bag over my head. What is wrong with you? Okay. I'm gonna put tape on it because I just don't want to make sure this doesn't come off, you know? Okay. The neighbor's gonna call the cop. Why? Oh God, I wonder what other animals are here. There's like so many animals everywhere. Oh God, I can't touch him. Chad, I can't do this. Where do I grab him from? Do you guys think maybe he's just sleeping? Maybe he's just asleep? No, I feel like I prefer to put him on something. I don't want to touch him with my hands. Hold on a second, hold on. Okay, I have an idea. I think it's a good idea. Oh God. Maybe he's just asleep. Oh. Ah, I can't do this. I can't. Oh. What if I just don't look? I can't. Oh my God, why is this so hard? I can't do it. Okay. I just feel like, hold on. Maybe I need to open this. Hey, wake up. Wake up. Hello? Birdie. Wake up. Hey. Good morning. Fuck, I think it's dead. Birdie. Okay, we're gonna go inside the box. I can't do it. I can't do it. Okay, just gotta. Oh, I can't. Why is this so hard? Why can't I? I can't do it. Okay. Okay, well, my neighbors probably think I'm fucking insane. Okay, well, now he can, like, feed the vultures. Oh God, I'm fucking exhausted. That was so exhausting. And he's gonna decompose. It's way better than throwing him in the garbage. So now, I'm gonna wash my hands. And then we are gonna cook some chicken. We're gonna cook his brother. Yes. Really cute. What kind of bird was that? He was really
booty so big that Swish wanna ban it. Came with a dumpy. Everything I make is so repetitive, I numb it. Now I know that we be making bangers that you love it. Cause now I got Alinity